2 by 4 is 8. 4 by 4 is 16. The answer is 96. 5 by 3 is 15. 9 by 3 is 27. The answer is 177. 2 by 5 is 10. 5 by 5 is 25. The answer is 125. 7 by 6 is 42. 6 by 6 is 36. The answer is 456. 1 by 8 is 08. 2 by 8 is 16. The answer is 96. 7 by 5 is 35. 6 by 5 is 30. The answer is 380. 4 by 2 is 8. 9 by 2 is 18. The answer is 98. 1 by 8 is 08. 6 by 8 is 48. The answer is 128. 5 by 2 is 10. The answer is 100. 4 by 6 is 24. 8 by 6 is 48. The answer is 288. 5 by 4 is 20. 7 by 4 is 28. The answer is 228. 7 by 3 is 21. 5 by 3 is 15. The answer is 225. 2 by 4 is 8. 8 by 4 is 32. The answer is 112. 4 by 9 is 36. 7 by 9 is 63. The answer is 423. 9 by 6 is 54. 7 by 6 is 42. The answer is 582.